What we see in the insurance space a lot is claims come in, and they come in really, really messy unstructured formats. So you'll get an email with a bunch of attachments without a clear idea of what's going on. Someone's tasked with opening up every attachment, reading through the email, understanding the claim type, then taking that information, putting it into their claim system. So really the day in the life of that claims agent or analyst is super manual and intensive early on. So we aim to essentially automate that entire flow. We want to be able to be the intake layer where we'll take that document in or that email in, we'll essentially read through the whole thing, classify it, so we'll say this is a fire claim or this is a health claim. And then we'll also intelligently start to contextualize the data and pull out the data. So realistically, the first step in that person's life now is a really clean, summarized package with everything they need as opposed to all those manual steps to get there. We actually are pretty prevalent in the insurance space, so we have a lot of large logos that we work with. Generally across heavily regulated industries, in the insurance space particularly, I think we're just better looking to understand how we can continue to serve people in the insurance space, help automate that claims lifecycle, find out if there's other areas within the space that we could help potentially automate as well. The one thing that's standard, regardless of what your workflow is in insurance, is that the data is difficult. It's messy, it's unstructured, so there's going to be a need somewhere to clean that up and do something with it downstream, which is exactly where Adlib sits. What we're seeing, at least, is even across all industries, is right now AI is the buzzword. Everyone's being told to implement AI in some way, shape, or form. But what we're kind of noticing is that the more they do that implementation downstream, they're starting to struggle with the data they're getting back. LLMs are great, but they do hallucinate. They provide data that may not be accurate, and they not only get the information wrong, but they'll tell you they were highly confident in their answer while they get it wrong. So I think what we're starting to see that's going underlooked is, in response, people are going to try to invest more in their AI workflow, try to add more context and prompts to their workflow, when in reality, the real issue is your data is just messy. Like, your documents are the root cause, and the way you're going to solve that is by making sure you can enrich that data before it ever touches anything AI related downstream. So I think we do a really good job at not only solving that problem, but half the battle is exposing that problem. I think we do a good job of exposing it and then solving it.